Storm Team 4 meteorologist Ben Gelber joining us now with your most accurate forecast. Ben, Washington, D.C., not the only place they're going to be seeing single-digit temperatures.
The eastern two-thirds of the country is going to be in the deep freeze for the next several days, probably through the middle of the week. So we will show you that. Coldest weather of the season so far. So luckily we had a couple of days of 40-degree temperatures and a little bit of rain to wash some of the snow and ice away. But that's the ball game now. It's going to be a very harsh winter pattern heading into the beginning of the new week. 41, but that was early this morning, pre-dawn. 29 is the new low. But the last couple of days are the first days we've been above average for the entire month since New Year's Day. Fire and Ice Heating and Air Conditioning Tower Cam Review, as I mentioned, there's a little bit of mist out there, and we're getting reports of a touch of freezing drizzle, as we talked about earlier this evening at 6. So watch out for a few slick spots. Wind chill now down to 21 as the wind picks up out of the northeast at 11 miles an hour. Cold front came through earlier, pretty much ended the rain except for that mist. A little bit of snow in Missouri. That's a secondary low that's going to take shape, and what's going to happen is this lobe of the polar vortex is going to dive south. We will see 50 below wind chills in the Dakotas, snow in New Orleans, Houston, maybe over to Hilton Head and Myrtle Beach over the next several days as that cold air reaches all the way down to the Gulf Coast beaches. And if it's getting that far south, you know that we are going to be in the thick of it. Snow showers will develop tomorrow afternoon. Wind chills will bottom out on Monday between 10 and 20 below zero. Other elements here, a winter weather advisory for about an inch of snow from that southern storm that will miss central Ohio overnight. So tomorrow morning, say from Logan and Athens, Chillicothe, Piketon, essentially south of US 22, about a half inch to an inch. And then we get into the extreme cold, not tomorrow, but Monday and Tuesday into Wednesday. And this is a new thing, the extreme cold watch warning issued by the National Weather Service. And that will be for wind chills of 25 below northern third, minus 20 wind chills or up to minus 20 in some areas in central Ohio, and minus 15 or lower in the southern part of the state. So that gives you an idea of where we will be as far as feels like temperatures on your Monday. 28 now at Delaware, 30 Columbus, 33 at Athens. So it's definitely getting colder. Now the first batch of snow moves through southern Ohio tomorrow morning, inch to maybe an inch and a half. The second batch will be snow showers coming off the lakes, which are not fully frozen yet, and even a squall or two, a half to 3/4 of an inch of snow for the rest of us tomorrow evening. Look at the highs tomorrow, from 3 below at Minneapolis to 10 in Chicago, 24 in Columbus. And this is really just the beginning of that Arctic surge that will continue to push south. So overnight, we're looking for nothing more than a straight flurry. Tomorrow, there's that band of snow at 8 in the morning south of US 22, moving away, but again, a quick half inch to an inch. And then notice the streamers that will bring locally a half to 3/4 of an inch, kind of spotty snow coverage Sunday night. Monday we start off at 2 and wind up around 10. And it's not going to be any better on Tuesday. Monday we'll have the lowest wind chills. So drizzle, the flurries overnight, 22. Again, a few slick spots, be careful. 24 tomorrow, dusting of snow to maybe locally an inch by tomorrow night. South gets it first this time, and then north and central in the afternoon and evening. And then take a look at the temperatures. Monday and Tuesday, highs of 10 and 13, lows of 3, and then 5 below Wednesday morning before we start to come out of the deep freeze Thursday and Friday.